Here's 10 brands that sell for over $100, and a few of them sell for over $1,000. First on the list, we're starting off with Daily Drills. They're sweatshirts, they're oversized, specifically the ones with the large wording on the front. Those easily sell for over $100 all day. Next up on the list, Loro Piana. Specifically, their cashmere sweaters. They can go all the way up to $1,000. We currently found one at the Goodwill bins, and it is listed for $700. Next, we have Flylow. A lot of their outerwear sells for over $100. For this example, we'll use Baker Bibs, Fly Low Baker Bibs. They sell for anywhere from $100 to $300. Next is the Vintage LL Bean Boat and Tote. It's a canvas tote bag. Most of them sell for anywhere from $700 to $800. Some of them go for over $1,000. Then we have the True Religion Y2K hat. The ones that do especially good are the ones with the Buddha embroidery and the frayed edges. Some people think that those are destroyed and trash. Actually, they're treasure, easily over $100. Then we have a couple of cycling brands. One is Rafa and one is Pedal Mafia. The bibs, the leggings, even the jerseys can go for great money. If they're collabed with another brand, there's one called Education First, Rafa and Education First. They can go for several hundred. Then we have Stone Island. Their jackets can go for $300 to $500. We actually recently found a brand new one at the Goodwill bins, and we currently have it listed, I think, for about $500 or $600. And then we have Abercrombie and Fitch band tees, not banned as in like Nirvana, but banned as in inappropriate phrases. If you see any kind of Abercrombie and Fitch Y2K shirt that has an inappropriate phrase, pick it up. And another one that goes with Abercrombie and Fitch is the Wolf Jaw jacket. These can go from anywhere from $150 to $300. And it says actually on the label, Wolf Jaw jacket. Now, I'm sure you've heard of this brand, Nike, but what you might not know or you might be surprised by is there's a vintage Nike hat. It's the Tailwind 7-panel hat, and they sell for anywhere from $100 to $300. And I've actually seen them, the more rare ones, go for over $1,000. And for our last one, we have Tor hoodies. Tor hoodies from popular artists such as Sabrina Carpenter. This is one that we just found at the Goodwill bins. We got it for just a few dollars, and we have it listed for $150. Similar ones have sold right around that range. Other people like Taylor Swift, Ariana Grande, Justin Bieber. One that is shocking that it goes for so much is Panic at the Disco. I've seen one sell for $1,500. So keep an eye out for Tor hoodies. If you liked this video and you want more items that sell for 100 plus, comment brands for part 2.